Okay, so today we'll be opening up this used factory installed Fomoco oil filter, number AA5E6714EA. And I got this used oil filter from a very generous viewer whose name is John Purolator from Yonkers, New York. Thanks, John. This filter was in service for 5,157 miles and came off a company work van where John is employed part-time. He has a side job providing an ambulance service, assisting those in need. The van is a 2025 Ford Transit high top. Yep, the one with the 3.5 liter V6 engine. He told me the oil used was 12 quarts, 5W30 factory filled AC Delco oil. So let's get started.
You gotta glue the silicone, get nice and tight, get your end here, go trace it.
Okay, so before we open this filter up, let's take a quick look at it. Now look at the date code, 10/21/23. This is a sticker on here, and right here it says made in USA. And this filter has 7 elongated inlet holes, metal core with louvers. The bypass valve is right here at the base end, 3 grooves there for threads, and a nitro rubber gasket, which I'll put the thickness of this gasket up on the screen. Yeah, it looks like a normal sized gasket. Okay, let's open this filter up and see what it looks like. Okay, not too much oil, that's good. Silicone drain back valve. Yeah, it looks good. There's no cuts, slits, or nothing in it. Nice and springy. That's a little bit of paint sliver there. Yeah, it fits on there nice. Get this out of the way. Okay, the filter element. Ooh, a little bit of excess glue on here. See some excess glue there. Here and here. And a little bit on here also. And right here's the glued seam. I'll put the number of pleats up on the screen. And if this is the same filter media as the Motorcraft filters, it would be a cellulose polyester blend media with a micron rating of 95% with particles greater than 30 microns. Because that's what the Motorcrafts are. And right here's the bypass valve, which I don't have a setting for. I couldn't find any reliable published information anywhere, so I don't know what this. I was finding all kinds of different numbers, so I'm not sure what that is. But you can see the spring inside there for the bypass valve. Okay, can stamp leaf spring. It's got the curve to it. That's good. Didn't get flattened or anything. And the can looks pretty good. I don't really see no sludging. There's a little something there, but I don't know. It's up to see. I'm gonna have this sitting like this and see what that ends up being afterwards. But I'll put the measurements of this can up on the screen. It's a little bit on the thin side, but probably a normal size can. Okay, and let's get the width of this filter. So we got 3.12 inches wide, minus 1/10 of an inch for the end caps. All right, Let me squeeze this out, stretch it out, and see what this thing looks like under a microscope. Be right back. Okay, and this filter is 48 inches long. Okay, now let's get the thickness of this filter media. 0.87 millimeters thick. Okay, this is the filtering side, back side. And if we take a look at this filter media under a microscope, you're going to see that it did catch some soot and carbon particles. There's quite a few of them on there. So let's take a look at that picture. So as you can see, it did catch quite a few soot and carbon particles. Now let's take a look at this filter up close. You can see a couple sparklies on here. You can see one there, one there. Let's see if some of these are magnetic. See if they're ferrous or not. Let's see. That one took up, so that's gone. It's ferrous. That one's ferrous. Non-ferrous. Yeah, there's quite a few of them on here. Well, there's a few of them there that were ferrous. There's one pretty big one right here. Let's see what that is. No, not ferrous. Get my tripod here to fold up. There it is. Yeah, so you can see quite a few sparklies in here. I think look, there's quite a few of them there. You see them all over the place there. Personally, if I was, if I had a fleet of vehicles and I would have done it sooner than 5,000 something miles. I would have probably done it at 1,000 at the most. And let's take a look at the rest of the filter. Okay, so we already went over these components. The drain back valve, that looks fine. Leaf spring, gasket, can. Look inside here. Let's see if I can touch that. It looks like a piece of glue. Yeah, that looks like a piece of glue to me. That's all that is. Yeah, you can tell that looks like a piece of glue. Other than that, it looks pretty clean in there. And let's take a look at these louvers. Take the light off. Ah, yeah, you can see those are opened up, no problem there. Look at them this way too. Yeah. Yeah, those are all opened up. That's no problem there. So what do you guys think about this Fomoco oil filter? Please post your comments down below. And again, I want to thank John for sending me this Fomoco oil filter. And I think I'll wrap this video up. And don't forget, Oil Filter Fridays. I try to open up an oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching and take care. Yeah, quite a few sparklies in there. You can see them sparkle all over the place. Look at that.